We will talk about Topshop in the context of the UK by looking at its brand heritage, downfall, and how we aim to revive its image in an innovative way and make it a competitive player in today's evolving landscape. So, what is our burning platform? Since 2013, Topshop's market share and sales have been significantly declining, so it went into administration at the end of last year, closing all of its stores across the UK. This is the result of its failure to adapt to the rise of online shopping and the customer's expectations for a seamless omni-channel experience. This has allowed online-only fashion companies to better appeal to Topshop's target demographic. Most recently, ASOS acquired Topshop, eliminating retail stores and moving the brand online. However, Topshop was not left with nothing. Customers' experiences pulled the customer in, not the product out. E-retailers score higher in terms of value, reputation, recommendation, and customer satisfaction compared to the traditional retailers. So Topshop needs to focus on customer intimacy and enhance customer loyalty, which will become its biggest asset. Now, what is our goal? Our goal is to apply a linked architecture system of innovation by focusing on process and position. We wanted to reconnect with customers by changing the narrative of the brand and creating a more engaging context in which Topshop's products and services are introduced while remaining true to its core heritage. With this, we want to build a Topshop community to better interact and engage with our target customers. We will rewrite Topshop's story, ensure it revives its strong positioning, and become the topic of discussion once again. Now, Diogo will talk about how to achieve this.
Thank you, Charlie. I'll proceed talking about the exact role that this technology will play in our solution for Topshop. We have positioned this solution as a turnaround digital transformation. Basically, this solution has a high strategic importance because it will transform the customer experience by completely changing how and where the customers are targeted. On the other hand, our solution has a low operational importance because we are actually not improving Topshop's operation with it. Our solution is based in a three-step approach. We want to transform the digital customer experience, and to do that, we will implement ASOS CRM technology, we will gamify the customer's digital experience, and we will implement a social media awareness strategy. The CRM technology will be used to make better decisions on how to provide the right digital experience to customers. We will also gamify the customer experience, and we are going to implement two initiatives to do this. We'll first implement a top world feature within ASOS website. Through this feature, users will be redirected to a Topshop's virtual store in which they will be able to look at and try Topshop's clothes through their own personalized avatars. Moreover, users will have the possibility of interacting with each other in Top World so that they can comment and evaluate Topshop's products. We are also creating the Top Hunt initiative. Basically, in this idea, QR codes will be put in random locations in the city in which Topshop operates. Then, whenever these QR codes are found by customers, they can be scanned and will give these same customers access to limited Topshop collections and to promotions and discounts. Finally, we will also create a social media awareness strategy through collaborations with major influencers, through challenges in social media platforms, and through the use of personalized Topshop filters. We plan to engage with Topshop's customers and create the hype needed around the Topshop brand to make it successful once again. Now, to make sure that our digital transformation strategy is having the results expected, we will also implement intermediate process metrics. These metrics will focus on three main areas: the engagement of customers, which relates to the customer's adoption of our initiatives, the customer experience, which basically relates to the customer's feedback on their new purchasing experience, and change in sales, which relates to how the expected increase in customer experience and engagement is affecting sales. Now I will pass the word to Bhumik, who will be talking about how this digital transformation will be implemented.
Thank you, Diogo. So, for the business model changes, we recommend a strategy for Topshop to leverage the existing business model of online fashion, and this will be done by implementing a new set of technological competencies to improve customer engagement practices and to boost online sales. Hence, there will be a radical change in the business model for Topshop. The new additions can be categorized into two following categories, that is, the technological and the organizational changes. After that, we will be creating a digital leader checklist, which will include defining and communicating the new vision and mission, to create a new team within the organization called the DigiFashion team. Then we will be chalking out the future strategies. We will be doing a performance assessment model, having a fund allocation structure. Obviously, if we're doing a technological innovation, we need to have a firewall and security system and make contingency plans for future uncertainties. And how this will be happening is that we will start small and build on our first-hand benefits. The second step would be to create a competitive advantage for brand recognition. And the third one would be to own the change and ensure commitment.